Hello, Victor here, RestoringMercedes.com. Today I have this harness here that I just finished and it's repaired. This harness came from 1995, I believe, or 1994 S350 diesel. This is the lower harness, and that's an unusual one because, as you can see, you have two pipes going around. This goes over the transmission. Top bolts, two top transmission bolts on the other side, and this is obviously the alternator. So that's the harness that is repaired. So now the part number for this harness would have been either 140-540-0830 or 140-540-3630. I don't know which exact number it is because sticker is missing, but I did one wire at a time, so it doesn't matter. So all of this is done right. It's just like no errors here because, again, I do one wire at a time. And I also preserve all the sheetings, so it actually looks like a brand new, well, not brand new, because during the removal, as we can see, there's a little rubber grommet was damaged here. There is one that was also, well, this one is not damaged, but still. But long story short, it still looks pretty much close to original, so it's going to fit exactly how it's supposed to be from the factory. The plug is plastic welded, everything is sealed off, so obviously I have to do some modifications here and there, but that's what it is. So this is the alternator wire. I made it just a little longer just because I could. Same here for the oil level sender. Even the rubber piece here survived, which is unusual to see, but it did survive, so we'll put it back and it's back in its place. Now we have the starter here, starter Bendix. This is a thick gauge cable which is very stiff, and that's understandable because it's a heavier gauge, soldered in and everything. Bendix wire is fine, and the oil pressure. These are new wires right there, same color. I don't care what color it is as long as they're properly soldered into the main connector. So once it's done, this is going to be pretty much forever. And this is the plug, and yeah, I cleaned it up a little bit. Didn't need to be cleaned very severely. I mean, it was a clean harness to start off with. Even for the diesel, it's actually pretty unusual to see. So I assume that this particular diesel has actually a very low mileage, because there was some residue of the oil, because diesels, they they oil up. I mean, they just leak oil all over the place. Oil, fuel, whatever. Well, fuel not really, but oil all over. High pressure. So this one had some oil here and there, but not as much. So this is actually pretty good. So yeah, so this is going to pretty much be the harness. That's what I did. So everything is fine. It's ready to go the same way as it was removed. So that's the idea, not to have any kind of like Mickey Mouse in here and there. This is gonna bolt on right away. So yeah, same exact way. So this is gonna be all for the very harness that I have here. Victor here, RestoringMercedes.com, and thank you for watching.